So, enjoy this drink twice in a day, first thing in the morning and the last thing before bed. You can have it with honey or without honey. And guys, to show you that this drink is really powerful, you can see the bean running to have a taste of this very powerful, fruity, digestive, energy boost drink, fat burner, like name them. Go and check out what this fruit does in the body. Yeah, I don't have a lot to say. I'm a looking guys. Don't mind my hair, right? So go straight to my YouTube, like, share, comment, and link on bio.
So guys, let's begin. We have orange, cucumber, ginger, pineapple, pepper, and cinnamon. So these are the ingredients for our drink. So here I went ahead to chop up my vegetables, as you can see, my fruits. However, I'm adding some water to it. I sit it now, is on fire. I'll let it to sit for some time. I'm going to leave it to boil a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and add my cinnamon and my pepper. As you can see, it has boiled a little bit before I start adding my pepper and my cinnamon. And this drink, guys, you can consume this drink in the morning, in the evening, before going to bed. You can store it also in the fridge and bring it out and boil it whenever you want to drink it. Oh my god, the aroma of this drink is everything for me. Like, it changed the whole smell of your kitchen, guys. And here I leave it to boil. I'm just turning it. Guys, look at the color of this drink. Like, guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and let me know if you like this kind of video, and share to everyone who needs it. So guys, here I will just leave it to sit a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and add my cucumber to it. So cucumber is the last vegetable I am adding to this cooking, to this drink. So after then, I will just leave it to sit for like 3 minutes on medium heat. On medium heat, yes guys. Yay! I just finished cooking, sieving it out. Guys, look at the color. Look at every ingredient that comes with it. Here I added some honey to taste, but as you can see, guys, the drink spilled. Drinks spilled on the table. Like, I was trying to kill a bean, and the bean, like, I was trying to chase the bean, not that I was trying to kill the bean. Look at the bean here crying out. At the end of the day, I rescued the bean. I take it out. After some time, the bean fly out, which was okay. To show you that this drink is really, really good, guys. Go ahead and try it and let me know.